In mathematics, x equal to 0 represents y-axis. Y is equal to 0 represents x-axis. When you know point and slope, what is the best form? Use what form? Point slope form. What is point slope form of line? Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Our slope of line joining points can be found out by difference of y coordinate by difference of x coordinate. And fifth form, normal form, x cos omega plus y sin omega equal to p. Angle of inclination means what? Angle made by the line with x-axis. Welcome to the session, dear students. In my last class, I taught you normal form and I asked you people to revise all the different forms of lines. In today's class, we are going ahead with problems based on different forms of lines. That is exercise problems of the textbook NCERT. So now, we'll start with the first problem. Write the equation of x-axis. Please understand, equation of x-axis, on the x-axis y value is 0. So equation of x-axis is what? Y is equal to 0. What is the equation of x-axis? Y is equal to 0. Important. So in mathematics, y is equal to 0 represent what? X-axis. So this is x-axis. On the x-axis y value is 0 and we call x-axis as what? Y is equal to 0. And they want you to find y-axis, right? The equation of x and y-axis. So y-axis, what is the equation of y-axis? Obviously, x equal to what? 0. On y-axis, x value is what? 0. This is y-axis. On y-axis, x value is what? 0. So, we wrote equations. I wrote equation of x-axis and I wrote equation of y-axis. Both are equally important and these are standard questions also. In mathematics, x equal to 0 represents y-axis. Y is equal to 0 represents x-axis, opposite. So, if I ask you to draw x equal to 0, then draw a line like this, vertical, that is y-axis. If I want you to draw y equal to 0, then it is this. Because we need to draw lines in linear inequalities and LPP of 12th standard. So, therefore, these are the forms of equations of axis. What is x-axis? Y equal to 0. What is y-axis? X equal to 0. Then, they want you to find the equation of line passing through the point minus 4 comma 3. This is the point. I call the point as x1 y1 and slope 1 by 2. I call the slope as m. So you know the symbols. Slope means m is half given. Point minus 4 comma 3 we call it as x1 comma y1. So you know point and slope. Now remember all the different forms. Which form is suitable? You have point, you have slope. So use point slope form. So required line is point slope form. What is required line equation? Required line is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. That is y minus 3 is equal to m. What is m? 1 by 2 into x minus 4. Simplify this. So that is y minus 3 is equal to half into x plus 4. And rearrange, transfer 2 to this side. So 2 into y minus 3 is equal to x plus 4. Simplify this further. If you do that, you will get 2y minus 6 is equal to x plus 4. Or rearrange this, transfer all terms to RHS. So it will become x minus 2y minus 6. If it goes that side, it will become plus 10 is equal to 0. This means I am always writing the line in the form ax plus by plus c. Or you can rearrange and write y is equal to mx plus c. Both are fine. So now, decision making, which form? So we have 5 forms. One is point slope form, y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Second one, slope intercept form, y is equal to mx plus c. Third one, intercepts form, x by a plus y by b equal to 1. Fourth one, 2 point form, x minus x1 by x2 minus x1 equal to y minus y1 by y2 minus y1. And fifth form, normal form, x cos omega plus y sin omega equal to p. So all the 5 forms should be on your tongue tip. Then you can decide depending on what is given. Which form to use is decided by what is given. What is given? Slope is given. Slope means what? M is given. And they gave a point. So point is given. What is the point? Minus 4, 3. So when you know point and slope, use what form? Point slope form. What is point slope form of line? Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Substitute and get the answer. Next. They want you to find the equation of line passing through 0, comma 0 and slope m. So now they gave point x1, y1. They gave slope is m. So slope and point they give. I'll write the y minus y1 because point and slope you know. So required equation is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Y minus y1 is 0. Y minus 0 is equal to m into x minus 0. So you'll get y is equal to mx. Please understand, Always in mathematics, y is equal to mx. If you have only x term and y term, what is missing? Constant is not there. If the equation contains only x and y, then it definitely passes through origin. What is 0, 0? Origin. So if I tell y is equal to 5x, y is equal to 5x means what? This is a line with slope 5 and passing through origin. So it passes through origin. If line passes through origin, it will not have c value. What is the standard form? Mx plus c. In this c is not there, or c is 0 means it passes through origin. Okay, fine. So the problem was plain and simple. They wanted to find the equation of line. Line is passing through 0, 0. So in the place of x1, y1, put 0, 0. Slope is m. So in the place of m, you put m and rearrange, you will get y is equal to mx. That is the equation of line passing through what? 0, 0. What is meant by 0, 0? Origin. Then find the equation of line passing through 2, 2 root 3 and inclined with an angle of inclination. Angle of inclination means what? Angle made by the line with x-axis. They give theta is 75 degrees. So now I need m. What is m? What is m? Slope means what? Tangent of angle made by the line with x-axis, or tangent of inclination, tan theta. M is tan 75 degrees. What is 75 degree? Can I rewrite it as a plus b form? Can I write it as tan of 45 plus 30 degrees? Now it is tan of a plus b. Tan of a plus b means tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a into tan b. So we can use compound angle tan 45 plus tan 30 divided by 1 minus tan 45 into tan 30. While discussing angle between lines, I gave compound angle formula. Again, you will be learning compound angle formula in trigonometry. So now, what is m? Simplifying that, you will get 1 plus what is tan 30? 1 by root 3 divided by 1 minus 1 by root 3. Simplify this. So it will become root 3 plus 1 by root 3 minus 1. Further rationalize this. If you rationalize root 3 plus 1 by root 3 minus 1, divide and multiply by root 3 plus 1 by root 3 plus 1. So numerator becomes a plus b the whole square. Then a square plus b square plus 2ab. Denominator a plus b into a minus b, root 3 whole square minus 1 square. So finally you will get slope. What is the slope value? So 3 plus 1 plus 2 root 3 divided by root 3 whole square is 1 minus 2. So it is 4 plus 2 root 3 divided by 2. You can take 2 common. If you take 2 common, 2 plus root 3 divided by 2 cancels. So you got m. M is what? 2 plus root 3. What is the slope value you got? 2 plus root 3. Arriving at m, you need to use trigonometric compound angles. So they want tan 75, or you can remember tan 75 is 2 plus root 3. So here they want you to find the slope tan 75. So I have derived tan 75, tan of a plus b. Tan 45 plus 30, 45 plus 30 is what? 75. Now it is in the form of tan of a plus b. Remember the compound angle tan of a plus b. What is tan of a plus b? Tan of a plus b is tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a into tan b. Substitute, you will get m as 2 plus root 3. Now directly we can write m is tan 75. Tan 75 values directly 2 plus root 3 you can take. Now m you got, and they give a point. What is the point? Point is 2 comma 2 root 3. This is x1, this is y1. If you know point and slope, you can use what form? You can use point slope form. So required line is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So that is y minus, what is y1? Y minus y1 is 2 root 3. M, what is m? 2 plus root 3 into x minus x1. What is x1? 2. Simplify this. Y minus 2 root 3 is equal to multiply 2 plus root 3 into x, or 2 plus root 3 into x minus 2 into 2 plus root 3 minus 2 into 2 plus root 3, or you can leave it here. Further you can simplify, you will get positive 2 root 3, negative 2 root 3 and 2 root 3 cancels. Y minus 2 root 3 is equal to 2 plus root 3x minus 2 2s are 4 minus 2 root 3. You can cancel minus 2 root 3 on both sides, and final answer is 2 plus root 3x, transfer y to that side, minus y minus 4 is equal to 0. This is the answer. So this is the equation of line. So they told line is passing through a point we call it as x1 y1. They told line is making an angle theta, so that theta is 75 degrees, and you need to find slope. What is slope? M is equal to tan theta tan 75, and substitute, you will get the answer. So now 4 different problems we have done on straight lines. So decision making is depending on what is given. See, write what is given, choose the equation and solve it. Next, intersecting, find the equation of the line. In all, we are finding the equation of line. They told it is intersecting x-axis at a distance of 3 units from left to the origin. So this is what origin. 3 units means -1, -2, -3. So line is cutting here from the origin, and slope is this. So first write what is given. So what is given? M is -2, and it is cutting at this point, means this is a point on what axis? Point on x-axis. Point on x-axis will be in the form x comma 0. X value is -3, y value is 0. Indirect age point kottidare. They have not given point directly. They told line is cutting. So at what? -3 of x-axis. So line is passing through -3 comma 0. Indirectly they gave. So they gave line is passing through -3 0, means this is x1 y1. Now what is a suitable form? You know M, you know point. When you know point and slope, what is the best form? Use what form? Point slope form. What is point slope form of line? Y minus y1 is equal to M into x minus x1. So now required line is y minus y1 is equal to M into x minus x1. What is meant by y1? 0.0. What is M? -2. x1 minus of -3. Simplify this. So LHS is y, RHS is -2 into x plus 3, multiply this. So that implies y is equal to -2x minus 6. Bring all terms to LHS. So 2x plus 6 plus y is equal to 0, or 2x plus y plus 6 equal to 0 is the required line equation. This is an interesting problem. Why? Because they give slope directly. Slope means M. They have given directly. This is not an issue. But they told line cuts what axis? X-axis. Where it cuts? 3 units, not towards right. Right means positive 3, 1, 2, 3. But it's cutting towards left. Left means, you know, from origin if you go left, we'll plot as -1, -2, -3. 3 units left means it is cutting at -3. Means line is passing through x-axis. A point on x-axis will be in what form? X comma 0. We learnt in the first class. So it is -3 comma 0. Means indirectly they told line is passing through -3, 0. If you know a line is passing through any point, you can put the point as x1, y1. So point and slope, you know, you can use what form? Point slope form, and you can get the answer. So now we have covered the next problem. We'll go to the next problem. So now they want you to find the line intersecting y-axis. The line is intersecting what axis? Y-axis, and above 2 units, at a distance above 2 units above origin, and makes an angle 30 degrees. Makes an angle what? 30 degrees with positive direction of x-axis. See, I'll draft the line. So line is cutting 2 units above origin, 1, 2 on y-axis. Means line is cutting, means here means it is passing through point on y-axis. Point on y-axis will be in what form? 0 comma y. 0 comma what is y? 2. Means they gave point on the line. So according to me, they gave line is passing through a point. So 0 comma 2, line is passing through x1 y1. They did not give 0 comma 2 directly, but they told the line is cutting above origin on the y-axis at 2 units, and they told it makes an angle 30 degrees in positive direction of x-axis. The line is making 30 degrees, means theta is given. Theta is 30 degrees. What is M? Tan theta. What is tan theta? Tan 30. What is tan 30? 1 by root 3. They gave slope 1 by root 3. So slope is also given indirectly. Point is also given indirectly. So now you know point and slope. What is a suitable form? Use what form? Point slope form, because we know point on the line, we know slope of the line. They have not given slope directly, but they told the line is making an angle 30 degrees with positive direction of x-axis, means they give theta. So now what is the required line equation? Y minus y1 is equal to M into x minus x1. That is y minus 2 is equal to M. M is what? 1 by root 3 into x minus 0. Simplify this, bring this to this side. That implies root 3, bring this side. Root 3 into y minus 2 is equal to what? X. Rearrange root 3y minus 2 root 3 is equal to x. transfer all terms to that side. So x minus root 3y plus 2 root 3 is equal to 0. This is the required line equation. I hope all of you got this. In this problem, they told the line is intersecting y-axis at a distance of 2 units above origin, means here, means this is a point on the line. What is the point on the line? 0, 2, because it's a point on y-axis. Any point on y-axis will have only y value, it will not have x value. That's it. It makes an angle 30 degrees with x-axis, means what? They give theta. When they give theta, can't you find slope? What is slope? M tan theta. M is what? Tan theta. Next. In 7th problem, they wanted to find the equation of line passing through 2 points x1, y1 and x2, y2. Directly you can use 2-point form. When the line is passing through 2 points, use 2-point form. What is the 2-point form? Required line is x minus x1 by x2 minus x1 equal to y minus y1 by y2 minus y1. What we call this form as? 2-point form. Again, this 2-point form will repeat in second PUC 3-dimensional geometry, and you will have extra term called z minus z1 by z2 minus z1. That's why important, remember this. So now first point we call it as x1 y1, second point we call it as x2 y2. Substitute in this equation. So x minus, what is x1? Minus 1 divided by y, x2 minus x1, 2 minus of minus 1, y minus y1 is 1, minus 4 minus 1. So that is x, that implies x plus 1 divided by 2 plus 1 is 3. Further y minus 1 divided by minus 5. Cross multiply. If I cross multiply, I'll get minus 5x minus 5 is equal to 3y minus 3. And transfer all terms to RHS. So it will become 5x positive, 3y is already there, minus 3 plus 5 equal to 0. Or can I say 5x plus 3y plus 2 equal to 0. This is the line. So they want you to find the equation of line, and they clearly mentioned line is passing through 2 points. Use 2-point form of line. What is 2-point form of line? X minus x1 by x2 minus x1 equal to y minus y1 by y2 minus y1. Rearrange, you will get the answer. Then next, they want you to find the equation of line perpendicular distance from origin is 5. The line is having perpendicular distance from origin is 5. Perpendicular distance of the line from origin. So perpendicular distance of the line from the origin means this, means they give P. Length of perpendicular is 5. It makes, means the perpendicular makes an angle 30 degrees. This they give omega, means angle made by the perpendicular with x-axis. Omega is 30 degrees. So you can use what is a suitable form? They gave distance of the line from origin and they gave angle made by the perpendicular. So use what? Normal form. And we call this line as what? Normal to the line. So use what form? Normal form. What is normal form of line? X cos omega plus y sin omega equal to P. So required line is x cos omega plus y sin omega equal to P. Substitute it. So what is cos omega? Cos 30. X cos 30 degrees plus y sin 30 degrees is equal to P. What is P? 5. And write the values. So x cos 30 is root 3 by 2, y sin 30 is 1 by 2, 5. So multiply by 2, or can I write it as root 3x plus y is equal to 5 to 10, multiplying by 2, or root 3x plus y minus 10 equal to 0. So this is the answer. So decision making, what form to use? What form to use? You have to use normal form. Why we should use normal form? Because they gave distance of the line from the origin and also they gave angle made by the line with this. So this is the answer. What is the equation of line? X cos omega plus y sin omega equal to P. What is omega? Angle made by the normal with x-axis. What is P? Length of perpendicular. Then the vertices of triangle they gave PQR. They want you to find the equation of median through R. Please understand, they want you to find the equation of median through R. So I'll draw PQR. So say I'll assume P here, I'll assume Q here, I'll assume R here. What is P given? P is 2, 1. What is Q given? Q is minus 2, 3. And R is what? 4, 5. Now they want equation of median through R. So I'll draw a median. Median means what? Which cuts from R. When you draw a line, it should touch the midpoint of PQ. RM is the median. They want you to find equation of median. If you want equation of median, first you should find median, M. M is the midpoint of PQ. So M is the midpoint. How to find midpoint? Midpoint formula. What is midpoint formula? x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. y1 plus y2 by 2. If I use that, so x1 is what? 2, x2 is what? Minus 2. 2 plus minus 2 is 2 minus 2. 2 plus minus 2 by 2 and 1 plus 3 by 2. So if you do that, 2 minus 2 is 0, 0 by anything is 0, 4 by 2 is 2. So this is m. Now we got the value of m also. M is what? 0 comma 2. Now they want you to find the equation of median. So median Rm is made up of 2 points. You can use 2-point form. What is 2-point form? X minus x1 by x2 minus x1 equal to y minus y1 by y2 minus y1. So now equation of median Rm or median through R is Rm is x minus x1 by x2 minus x1. I am using 2-point formula equal to y minus y1 by y2 minus y1. So now x1 y1 in this context, this is x1 y1, now this is x2 y2. Substitute them. When you substitute, that implies x minus x1 means x minus 4 divided by x2 minus x1. So x2 minus x1 means 0 minus 4 is equal to y minus y1. Y minus, what is y1? 5 divided by y2 minus y1, 2 minus 5. Simplify this. X by 4 by minus 4 is equal to y minus 5 divided by minus 3. Minus minus cancels. Cross multiply, rearrange, you will get the answer. When you cross multiply this, you will get 3x minus 3 4s are 12 is equal to 4y minus 20. Rearrange it, 3x minus 4y. Bring this, so 12 minus 12 plus 20 is plus 8 equal to 0. This is the answer. They want equation through median, equation of median through R. So first find midpoint of opposite side. For R, what is opposite side? PQ. Find midpoint. What is the midpoint formula? X1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2 use ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ midpoint ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. Then you got R value, you got M value. So if you know 2 points on the line, you can find 2-point form. Using 2-point form, you can find the equation of RM. RM is a median through R. Interesting and simple. So now we have covered different types of problems. And we'll go ahead with a new problem. Find the equation of line passing through minus 3 5 and perpendicular to the line joining these two. So now line joining, so I'll take 2 comma 5 and another, I'll call this as AB minus 3 comma 6, and I want a line like this perpendicular and passing through a point. What is the point? Minus 3 5. So our line is passing through minus 3 5 we got, but it's perpendicular to AB. All of you know, if two lines are perpendicular, slopes are, product of slopes is minus 1. So what we do is, first we'll find slope of AB. How to find slope of AB? You know, in my first class I taught you slope of AB or slope of line joining points can be found out by difference of y coordinate by difference of x coordinate. So slope of AB is 6 minus 5 divided by minus 3 minus 2, x2 minus x1. That is, I am using the formula y2 minus y1, difference of y coordinate divided by difference of x coordinate. Then it will be 1 by minus 4, minus 1. Now required line slope is m2, and you know m1 into m2, because they are perpendicular, is minus 1. So m2 is what? Minus 1 by m1, that is minus 1 by minus 1 by 4, that is 4. So our slope or required line slope is 4. Now you know slope, you know point, this is x1 y1 and this is m. So use point slope formula and can't you find the equation of line. So these are the standard problems for today's session, and I've covered all the types, so revise them. We'll go ahead with some more problems of NCERT exercise. So I'll be waiting for you. Please practice and attend my next session. Thanks for attending. Thank you.